officially traveling to Walt Disney World. Daddy,
Yes.
show everybody your wrist. What time did it come on?
When I woke up.
Zachary, do you have your magic band on too?
I had my best friend bracelet on. Before I
Aww.
left, me and Blake just clinged them together like that.
So we just picked the kids up from school early, and we are hitting the road.
No science and social studies for me.
Woohoo! Mel's very excited, very excited. And
I already had social studies,
bless your soul.
but I don't have to do writing.
Well, there you go. Wouldn't you rather miss my writing?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, probably.
I would rather miss science.
So we're gonna grab some lunch because Zachary here hasn't had lunch yet.
I did.
Melanie got about 5 minutes of lunch. So Daddy and I have not eaten lunch at all. So we're gonna go grab some lunch and hit the road. So we'll see y'all in a bit.
That's an item.
It is an item.
No, item.
Item, what does that mean?
Literal and non-literal.
It's a what?
Literal, non-literal.
Oh, okay. Meanwhile, Zachary has already gotten into the road trip snacks.
Still going. Are you done with the house part?
Yes.
Okay. Now, I want you to draw a tree beside the house.
It's gonna be like 50 feet from the house. But okay. My pencil just slipped.
Are you good?
Yeah.
Alright, now I want you to draw a swing hanging on one of the tree limbs.
Oh no, I just drew a random swing place. I think my art is beautiful. Can't even see it. It's gonna be the new Mona Lisa.
Alright, now I want you to draw a fence in front of the house.
Until it didn't just do squiggly lines or anything. You know the Mona Lisa?
Mm-hmm.
My friend called it the Rona Lisa.
Okay, I think
Are you good?
Yeah.
Now draw a picnic table beside the house.
Are you just making this up as you go?
Oh yeah.
Okay, I'm done with it.
You done, Mel?
Yeah.
Alright, now draw the sun,
This is perfect.
because this is a nice summer day.
Is it though?
Yeah.
My artwork says otherwise.
Yeah. Wait.
Now put some puffy clouds around there.
And he will count off if they're not puffy.
And the last thing, draw a car sitting in the garage. So now you have to draw a car and the
I was
garage.
about to say, there's no garage.
Okay, I drew a car.
No, I'm not done.
It's a terrible car.
Alright, whenever you're done, you can look at it.
Alright, show the camera.
Yours, Melanie?
Fantastic.
Let me see Zachary.
We're so proud. We always have to video Patches.
Where's she finding?
It's Patches. Oh my gosh. How many times has he been to Disney with us?
He never looks up.
Alright, Zachary, look, you see this building right here?
Over here.
Oh yeah.
It's supposed to say Peaches, but they wrote Patches.
Oh.
So we call it Patches. It's our favorite landmark. Alright, checking in. How's everybody? We've eaten. We had some of the Lord's chicken. And Melanie immediately was bored. Haha.
Play Mario Kart.
Oh, cool. Are you on your 2DS?
Yeah.
Huh.
It's the only thing I can play Mario Kart.
Oh, well, good point, good point. And Danny and I were sitting here talking about our favorite landmarks right before because I said Patches was mine. And what did you say, Danny?
Mine is squared.
The purple sign.
Purple signs. Because that means we're closer. We're in Disney.
No, we're not now.
No, but that's what purple signs means.
Yes, we are.
I give up with y'all.
What?
What? What? I don't know. So anyway, we are hopefully be in Disney a little after 8 o'clock. Probably not because we got to take a couple more stops. So
Because some of us have a bladder the size of a cherry. We got to pee every 8 minutes. Myself included.
I don't.
Oh lordy. So anyway, probably 9, a little after 9 is when we expect to be in Disney, but we'll check in a little before then. Oh, we made it to Florida, guys.
She's good at not talking to me. She can go a long time. She could do her whole marriage career. Marriage fights are great because they're all very young. I would say 90%.
Hey. I like it medium.
All right, we have finally made it. We're so excited. Thank you so much for spending the day with us. We can't wait to share our experiences at Magic Kingdom and the rest of Disney World Resort for its 50th birthday with you guys so much. Thank you for watching. Bye.